Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of peak hour factor. Question is given as the minute flow value were observed for the peak hour on an expressway section as shown in the table given below. Determine the 5-minute and 15-minute peak hour factor. Now in this table minute is shown here and the number of vehicle is shown here. Now first of all we will calculate the total traffic volume. It will be equals to the number of minutes into number of vehicles. So from 1 to 7 minutes there will be 7 minutes, so 7 into 20. Similarly from 8 to 10 there will be 3 minutes, so 3 into 30. From 11 to 20 it will be 10 minutes, so 10 into 25. From 21 it will be only 1 minute, so 1 into 26. From 22 to 32 there will be 11 minutes, so 11 into 4. From 33 to 45 there will be 13 minutes, so 13 into 10. From 46 to 47 there will be only 2 minutes, so 2 into 15. Plus from 48 to 55 there will be 8 minutes, so 8 into 30. Plus from 56 to 60 there will be 5 minutes, so 5 into 10. On solving this we will have total traffic volume equals to 1000 vehicles per hour. Now we want to determine the value of peak hour factor for 5 minutes, so that we want to calculate the peak traffic volume for 5 minutes. So peak traffic volume for 5 minutes. Now we have to select the time interval, that is the consecutive 5 minutes in which maximum number of vehicles is moving. So we will take the 48th minute, 49th minute, 50th minute, 51st minute and 52nd minute. Now in 48 minute 30 vehicles per minute is moving, so we will write here 30 vehicles per minute. Similarly in 49th minute, similarly in 49 minute, similarly in 49th minute there will be 30 vehicles per minute. Same in 50th minute, that is 30 vehicle per minute. Same in 51 and same in 52, that is 50 vehicle per minute. Same in 51 and 52, that is 30 vehicle per minute. Now total of this will be equals to 150 vehicle per 5 minute. Now we have to convert this traffic volume in terms of vehicle per hour. So peak traffic volume for 5 minutes will be equals to 150 vehicle per 5 minute. Now we have to convert this in terms of hour, so we will divide this value by 60 and it will be equals to vehicle per hour. That will be 1800 vehicle per hour. That is the peak traffic volume for 5 minutes. Now if we want to compute the value of peak hour factor for 5 minutes, it will be equals to total traffic volume, that is 1000 vehicles per hour, divided by peak traffic volume for 5 minutes, it will be equals to 1800 vehicles per hour. On solving this we will have the peak hour factor for 5 minutes equals to 0.555. Now we have to determine the peak hour factor for 15 minutes. So peak traffic for 15 minutes. Now we have to select the time interval, that is the consecutive minutes in which the maximum number of vehicle is flowing in 15 minutes. So that time interval is from 7th minute to 21st minute. Now we will calculate the peak traffic volume for 15 minutes. In 7th minute there will be 20 vehicle flowing, so we will write 1 into 20 plus from 8 to 10 there will be 3 minutes, so 3 into 30 vehicle is flowing, so 3 into 30. Similarly, from 11 to 20 there will be 10 minutes, so 10 into 25. And at 21st minute there will be 26 vehicles flowing, so 21 into 26. On solving this, we will have 386 vehicle per 15 minutes. But we want to convert this in terms of vehicle per hour, so peak traffic volume for 15 minutes will be equals to 386 divided by 15 by 60, because we want to convert this value in terms of vehicle per hour, so it will be equals to 1544 vehicles per hour. Now we want to compute the value of peak hour factor for 15 minutes. It will be equals to total traffic volume, that is 1000 divided by 1544. On solving this, we will have the peak hour factor for 15 minutes equals to 0.647. That is the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.